Hi everyone, so my bestie LauraVCrafty sent me this giant box right here, so we're going to open it up and see what's all in here. I haven't peeked, I just opened up the tab right here. I'm just going to hopefully slide everything out, and I hope it doesn't go in a certain way and I don't mess this up. Let's see. Oh my goodness, I see a little book right here. Look at the shaker in here. I think I did do this backwards. Oh my gosh, look! How beautiful is this? It looks like a little balloon in an N. Oh my god, how cute! Okay, so we have that. We have a little jewel here. I think this is upside down. Let's see. These are pretty. How did I not see these? I would have totally bought these if I would have seen them. Those are beautiful. So it looks like Dollar Tree. Oh, how funny. I literally just bought these because I wanted the little word, love everywhere. So those are Dollar Tree. Oh, look at these beauties. I love me a good shaker. These are Hobby Lobby. Beautiful on those. Yeah, the whole box is upside down. Oopsie. So let's see. Oh my goodness. Like, how did I not even notice that there was a whole paper pad? It's so funny. I literally messaged her like, what did you send me? It weighs like 50 pounds. Is this the new Michael's paper pad? Okay, so I have been avoiding the Valentine's Day section at Michael's. Like, it's like not gonna happen because I'm trying to wait for a better sale from them. So I have no idea if this is the new one or not. But, oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Let's do a little flip through here. I was checking to see if it had a year on here, maybe. So, yeah, I don't know what year this is from. Let's see. Oh, this looks like, little, like, tassels. Oh my god, this is beautiful. Look, it's in a blue. I have, like, some little confetti here. Oh, I'm loving the blue in here. Oh, this is so pretty. Ooh, I actually like this page. It's like a pink purple, but I like the gold foiling.
Can I ask one of your YouTube videos?
Okay, everyone, my nephew has a question for you guys.
So, what's your favorite football team? Comment in the comments.
So, Bud wants to know who is your favorite football team and to leave it down in the comments. What about, we should ask them who they're going for the Super Bowl, huh?
Oh yeah, who do you think is going to win? Rams or Bengals?
Yeah, so comment down below, who do you think is going to win the Super Bowl, Rams or Bengals? We will definitely be watching, huh, Bud?
Yes.
Your Kansas City Chiefs almost made it, huh?
I think I'm going to watch it with Grandpa because Grandpa's favorite team is the Rams.
Grandpa's favorite team is the Rams. So, yeah, my dad's favorite team is the Rams. It has been since he was young, and he's still stuck with them, even with them moving around. So, I know he's excited to go ahead and watch that. So, Bud will probably go and watch football with Grandpa, and I'm going to sit in the living room and watch all the commercials. That is my favorite part of Super Bowl. Huh, Bud? Bye, boy. Okay, let's see.
Comment down below why do you love that football team.
Comment down below why you like your football team. He's so funny. These kids. Okay, so that's the paper pad right there. And let's see what else we have. We have, whoa, a shaker card kit. Ooh, I definitely need to put this together. So the little heart cutout will make the shaker. Oh, I'm definitely going to put this together. So that looks like a Michael's item. Oh, look at these little jewels in here. Oh, we have some little hearts here. You can definitely put one of those bails on here and then use this as a charm. Let's see, we have some ribbon. Ooh, I've never seen this glitter one. AC glitter ribbon. I have no idea where this one's from, but that's pretty. Look at that. Like silver and pink glitter. And then we got the little sloth guy right here. He's so cute. He is from Dollar Tree. And let's see. We have some of these. Oh, they're called grapevine hearts. I remember these last year at Dollar Tree. I don't think I've seen them this year, though. Let's see. Oh my gosh, there's just so much stuff in here. Oh my gosh, how cute are these little pins right here? So we have flowers, hearts, some cherries, and some rainbows. And then look at these gorgeous open hearts right here. You can definitely put a jump ring through here and then use it in like a charm dangle. That's what I've done. I think last year I made some like that where I put a jump ring through and just dangled it off of like a little chunky charm. Let's see. We have some sequence mix right here. Again, same thing with these open hearts. You could stick a jump ring through there and just hang it on a little dangle. Oh, look it. We have some Nomi homies here. How stinking cute are these? These are from Hobby Lobby. Oh my gosh, mini M&Ms. I'm going to have to give this to Sunny Boy. He loves mini M&Ms and he loves these little containers. He puts his coins in here. So I'm definitely going to pass that on to him. Let's see. Oh, we have more candy over here. Let's see. Oh, cookies and cream. So my bestie Laura does not like white chocolate and goldfish. So in her Christmas present, I sent both just to be mean. I think she ended up giving them to her son though, and he liked them, so that was okay. But as a joke, I know that she didn't like it, but I sent them to her as an evil little joke. So it's so funny that she found some cookies and cream with some white chocolate. That's going to be so good. I'm going to share that with the kids. Oh my gosh. The kids are going to lose their mind. I haven't seen these before. If I would have seen these, I would have bought them for them. My nephew, Weddle, loves sour candy. So he will definitely help me eat these on up. So thank you so much, bestie. You know my family so well. Let's see. Let's open this little baggie up right here. I wonder if she added the little stars to it. Those are a really cute little touch. I'll have to remember that. Oh, how cute. How cute are these? So she did like little candies, but they're beads in here. Oh my gosh. I think these are going to be perfect. I've been making like beadable pins. And I think that these, oh no, she made it into one piece. Let me see. Can I open this? I will need to get that open. Let me get my scissors here. Let's see. She stuck the wire through here to hold it all together. That's kind of cute just in itself like that, the way she has it. These beads are beautiful though. But yeah, these do have a hole large enough that I think it would fit on a pokey tool or a beadable pin. So I might use them for that. I think these would be so pretty on a pin or a pokey tool. And then she put the little bead caps on there. And then the same thing with these smaller ones. That's so cute how it looks like a little candy. This one I think I'm going to leave the way it is and just leave it as a little candy wrapper. But these I think I'm going to definitely use because I think they're gorgeous. I love the little iridescence on this one. And I love any bead with rhinestones. So those are so pretty. Okay, and back here we had that book. So let's check it on out. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty. Oh, this is the paper from here. Oh, I didn't even realize that at first. This is the paper collection that's in that paper pad right there that she sent me. Oh my gosh, how crazy. And look, she put all kinds of stuff in here. Look, there's like tiny little clear balls. There's some tiny sequins. She is like so good at finding sequins on AliExpress that I just need to send her my money. Like whenever she orders on Ali, I need her to order too and then mail me the set because I will look and I'll shop on AliExpress, but then I find it like overwhelming sometimes. Or yeah, so I'm just gonna have to have her double up her orders here because look at, she has these little like clear balls in here. There's tiny sequins, bigger sequins. There is clay little hearts in here. Oh my gosh, look, there's little lippies back here. We have some tube confetti sequins. Just a whole mix of everything. Oh, there's a little bit of yellow in here as well. And then look at her stitching. Oh my gosh, she's been stitching everything and it's just beautiful. There's the spine, and then there's the back there with that same sequence mix. That is just gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. I love it. Okay, let's open this on up. Oh my gosh, I love my little N on there. I love anything that's personalized. I think it's just such a beautiful little touch. So I definitely love this. It's so funny. I don't have this. Like, I don't have this little N right here. So that is so cute. I love that it's something new. Do I have to take these both out to open it? I think I might need to. Okay, let's open this on up. Oh my gosh, look, this is my favorite trim from Hobby Lobby. This stuff is amazing, and when it goes on sale for 50% off, it's only $1. You guys, if you see it, snatch it up. It sells out a lot of the times, or at least in my area, it sells out all the time. So whenever I see them, I definitely snatch it up, even though, like, I think 4 rolls, but one I'm using and it's almost done. So yeah, whenever I see this stuff, I snatch it up because I use it all the time. You can even cut them just like one by one and use them like that. I have some more beautiful ribbon right here. Oh my goodness. This is just so pretty, and look at how thick this is. It's so well made. This is cute. I've been thinking about doing just a die cut swap, and this would be like the perfect album to put together for that, because each one of these is a little pocket. I think this would be such a cute album to do a die cut swap in. Just look at how pretty it is, and in between every piece she has a ribbon right here. That's so pretty. Okay, so let's see what's in all of these pockets. Oh my gosh, her and I both love mason jars. I wonder if she had her Cricut write this. That is so tiny. I don't know if that's her writing or that might be her handwriting. Oh my gosh, and then look at this tiny little heart bead right there too. That is so cute. And then she stitched it up, but she knows it's going to kill me to take it apart and open. That is so pretty. And it's that same sequence mix and the same paper collection. Pop that in there. That's just gorgeous. Over here we have some Pom Pom Trim. Yes! She gave me some of her sequence mix. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. This is to die for. And look at the cute little bag that it came in. That is really, really pretty. I'm wondering if this is from Ali as well. Oh my gosh, there's so much sequins in here. I'm so excited. Look at this one, even has like a matte look. I'm not sure if you can tell on camera, but this one even looks like matte. And these little hearts are like pearlized right there. This stuff is beautiful. I'm telling you, I just need to tell her whenever she orders sequins, she needs to mail me some, because, not mail me some, but like order me some, you know? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I love her resin pieces. She makes the cutest little resin pieces. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited for this little mail. Look at that. This is like so professionally done. This is beautiful. I have no idea how she does it. I did resin for a while and I just couldn't keep up with it. It was just, I'm impatient is my problem. I'm waiting for this stuff to cure. It was just not my business. It was just like not my thing at all. So I just love that she loves to do these, and look at how stinking cute these are. So here we have a little lock. Oh, I dropped my lips. Oh, these are beautiful. We have some little lippies here. And we have our little Cupid. Oh my gosh, he's so stinking cute. Then we have our little love arrow right here. These are so, so pretty. I love these. Just the shine on these are so pretty. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. And look at even the back. The back even looks pretty. I love those. Let's see. Got a bunch of die cuts in here. So she just recently got a die cutting machine because she would always do everything on her Cricut. But you know, when you like use a die cut and it has like that stitch etching on some of the dies, she wanted to do that, or like to be able to like emboss. So she just got a die cut machine. So I'm not sure if these are from her die cut machine or if these are from her Cricut. Oh, I just dropped the key. These are so cute. And then she gets this gold texture paper from, what is it called? Amazon. I really, really like this one. Oh my gosh, see, I love getting die cuts because it's just amazing at like what else everybody has. I think I'm going to do a die cut swap where it's just literally just send die cuts. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. These are metal bows. That is such a cute idea. That is really, really cute. I like that a lot. So we got a little hot air balloon. Going on a hot air balloon ride is actually on my bucket list. Oh, I dropped a little heart here. Got a little heart here. Let's see. Have some XOs and some kisses. Oh, this is so pretty. I love this. I think she sent 2. Oh yeah, there's 2 there. Then we have some little hearts. I really like that one. That's really pretty too. And we got another one of those hearts. A little love. And we got an XO. XO that way. That's so cute with the little hearts. Then we got like a long strip right here. Okay, I'm like, I could not figure that out. There we go. That'd be really, really cute to like put on like a pocket. That's really, really pretty. I love all of those. I'm not sure if I showed the little key here. And in our last little pocket back here. Aw, she made me a bow with a little rhinestone heart in the middle. And then look at this little envelope. See, I need to learn to sew. I want to make some of these. These are the cutest little embellishments ever. It's so tiny, just a little bit of sequins mix in there and just sew it on up. That is just so cute. And then look, even sewing the package, just, oh my gosh. I love it. It just makes it so fancy. You take your plain little clear bag and you stitch it with some gold and then bam, it's like super fancy, super cute. I love it. Thank you so, so much, bestie. You are amazing. I can't believe you sent me a whole paper pad. Who does that like that? Oh my god. You know how much stuff I can make with this? Like, look at, and I don't have it. So I'm so, so grateful for it. Thank you so, so much. And thank you for sending candies. You know I'm going to share it with the fam. They're going to love it. Just thank you so much. I want to thank you guys for always being so supportive and watching my channel. I appreciate you guys as well. So, all right, guys, we'll see you guys later. Oh, I will link her down below. Like I said, she's LauraVCrafty on YouTube and Instagram, and she's my bestie, so you know she's awesome. All right, guys, I'll see you later. Bye, guys.